Hey y'all, it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today is Craftmas episode 75, and we've got a fun one for you. I purchased this recipe book from Hobby Lobby. It is originally $24.95. It is in their Christmas crafts section, so it is automatically 50% off, so that made it $12.50 for it. So we're going to take and personalize this. But this is something that makes a great gift for moms, grandmas. I mean, you can take and add all of your family recipes. There's spots for all of your family recipes. And there are sections in here plus little stickers to decorate it with as well. But I wanted to make it personalized, so we're just going to be using our gold Oracal, gold metallic Oracal 651. I've already cut and weeded this to fit on the front, but this makes an excellent gift. So for this tutorial, you're gonna need your recipe book, your vinyl, your scissors, your easy weeding wooden pick, your squeegee, and your transfer tape. Now, if you'll give me a moment to get the camera angle changed, I will show you everything that we are going to do. Okay, so for this recipe book tutorial, the first thing we want to do is remove the clear plastic cover and the paper sleeve. Sorry. Now we're going to take our transfer tape. We need a bigger piece. Yeah, I'm going to take it. I need bigger, but I don't need it as big as that piece was. Okay. Cover it with the transfer tape. It's okay. You can piece in your transfer tape, just in case you didn't know that. You can. My husband's laughing at me. Y'all, he's not being very nice. Okay, squeegee it down. There we go. Now you can apply heat transfer to this, but since it is like this cardboardy material, it might try to warp on you if you get too much pressure behind it. So now what we're going to do is remove the paper backing. And this transfer tape I have used several times, so it is not the stickiest thing in the world anymore, but it still works for this purpose. And I chose metallic gold because on the front cover, it has the word recipes in a gold metallic. So I figured that would match. And this is just a way to give it a little bit more more pizzazz. Okay, so now you see where I wrinkled my R up. So we're just going to take and flatten that back out. Now, to be able to see this better, I'm going to hold it up like this. There we go. Let's see, we're about 2 fingers over here, about 2 fingers over here. Looks pretty straight. Okay. Squeegee it down. Now we're going to remove the transfer tape. All my separate little pieces, because there's like 4 different layers of transfer tape on this. Okay, so everything I am pretty happy with. I still want to fix that R a little bit. So we're just going to take and use our pick to lift it. Then we're going to use that back side of the pick to smooth it back down. There we go. Now, that looks really good. Look how cute that turned out. And it goes from boring and basic that everybody can have to something that is specifically for your family. Now remember, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And if you hit the notification bell icon next to it, that will notify you when we post new videos, which for Craftmas is every single day, all the way up until December 21st. Don't forget to check me out on all my social medias, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. But I guess that's it, so we'll see you on the next one. Bye.